The coffee's cold, the clock is striking 3, and shadows dance where you once stood with me. We found each other at the closing of the door. Two soulmates met, but life demanded more. They say we're late, that seasons had to change, but loving you was never something strange. But deep inside I know a place exists beyond the reach of gray and lonely mist. In another world, in another frame of time, you're still my heart, and I am yours and mine. No, too late there, no worlds to pull apart, just the steady rhythm of a single happy heart. I see us there under a different sun, where all the almost and the maybes are all done. We didn't lose, we just misplaced the key in this dimension, but not in eternity. I'll keep that vision like a secret I can hold, a story of a love that never could grow old. Maybe we're just echoes of